Welcome back to Team O'Neill. I'm Wyatt. We've got a special treat today lent to us from our friends at FCP Euro. This is a 2008 Porsche Cayman S. Mid-engine, rear-wheel drive, it's on snow tires. They've got some fun plans in the future with this car, but right now it's dead street stock as they just purchased it. And we're here today to find out, will it rally? All right, so let's try the skid pad out first. Just a nice big circle and see how this thing handles. I'm pretty excited to drive this thing and get some seat time because it really does take quite a while to get good with the mid-engine, rear-engine kind of Porsche thing. It's not the same as a front-engine car. It just handles differently. The mass is moving around, and there's definitely a point of no return where, you know, once you get past a certain amount of sideways at a certain speed, it's kind of all over no matter what you do. You can ease out of the throttle and try and save it, but a lot of times once you've gone too far, sometimes there's no coming back. That's been my experience, but honestly right now this car feels very predictable. You know, big skid pad circles. It's not the fastest because it's very icy underneath this little bit of snow, but for, hey, a two-wheel drive car, the diff works great, the steering is great, the engine is great. It's just a matter of getting some seat time and muscle memory to program myself so that when it does get those big angles, yeah, just back off the throttle and you can save it. Oop, no left foot braking. If you touch, it doesn't actually cut the throttle strangely, but yeah, if you try left foot braking, the ABS activates immediately. A lot of times in a normal car, you know, you can use a little bit of left foot brake to tighten the line, kind of shift a little weight forward, change things up a little. In this, the ABS activates instantly. All right, so the skid pad, honestly too easy in this. Drives really well, these tires are great. Let's try some slalom runs, see what happens once we introduce some real transitions, because that's where that mass in the rear, going from the left to the right and right to the left, I was expecting it to be worse than it is. Honestly, it's really good. So what I'm sort of finding is that once you get some oversteer, you can link corners and transition it and keep that weight transfer moving and kind of dance through there, no problem. It's actually when you're going straight and you want to turn in that it's got some difficulty because of that light front end, right? If you come in and you try lifting and turning a little and braking, not so great. But if you eventually can get it to slide, well, then you can link them all together. And that's just easy and fun. Looking way up the road, transition and countersteer. Yeah, that's all it is. As soon as it slides, you really need to countersteer, which is normal, you know? It's just that if you have any bad habits, you're gonna see them in this. You know, you can get away with a little bit lazy countersteer in some cars. You can let them kind of hang out a little and then correct for it. Where in this, as soon as the back moves, start countersteering. And if it's moving more, keep countersteering. And keep your arms light. It's got enough caster angle in the front that it wants to countersteer. You just need to keep a light feel on the wheel and let it happen, and you'll be fine. That all, of course, starts with looking where you want to go. You know, you're going to be looking in the right places. But as long as your eyes are up, your hand-eye coordination is working for you, see if it'll shift lock. Oh, yeah. Yeah, we're happy. Oh, a lot of push there, a lot of push there. Let's get one more pass at it, but I'm feeling pretty happy about it. Yeah, the oversteer is no issue at all, which is great peace of mind for me. But the understeer, that initial turn in, when you're actually going straight and just trying to get the car to turn for you, that's where this thing struggles. So, you know, we're gonna have to kind of drive it pretty sideways to get through here quickly. That's fine. But yeah, there are definitely some spots where you've got some straightaways coming into some tight corners where we're gonna have to scrub speed with ABS, slow it down, get it turned in, try and use weight transfer. We've got the handbrake if we need to. Just kind of wing it and figure it out on the other end and hopefully keep it out of the snowbanks. nothing left to do. First gear, 3, 2, 1. Going high. Don't get too much wheel spin. Second gear, quick. The variable timing kicks in pretty fast on this. I don't trust the grip here, so I'm gonna go nice and slow. Scrub a little speed. I found some mud, that's good. Through here, get it turned. It does not turn. Once I got it going though, now we're happy. Looking for the exit. Keep it on that camber. We're good all the way up this hill. I'm going third gear. Get some torque. Back to second. Ooh yeah, a little pendulum. Get it turned in through this part. Yeah, back to handbrake. Twice with the handbrake. A little bit of clutch dump. Second gear up the hill. We're good. It's not the prettiest thing I've ever done, but it works. Third gear, sliding up over this crest, sliding back into this right, and just keep that back end out a little. Doesn't need to be insane, but keep that back end moving. Going up through here, I'm gonna keep it in third gear. It doesn't sound like the fastest, but the rear tires are still spinning a little, so third gear is probably fine. All the way up here, nice. Yeah, I got it turned in. Nice, easy drift. Try and hold every bit of momentum that we've got because we got to go back hard left here. It's a lot of work. Feels really good though. It's fun. I'm not sure how fast it's going to be, but it's a very good time. Coming through, easy left through here. Now I got to use the brakes. Haven't really used much brake yet because it doesn't really work with the ABS. But we got to slow down. We got it turned in. Got a nice drift going, hold it through here, tightens up nice. Oh, I'm happy. Third gear again and go. Unfortunately, this is where we're gonna make our time. Oh, that ABS chatter, man, that kicks on and just makes you uncomfortable. It's hard to trust it. You know, a car where you can brake in a corner, you'll tend to drive into stuff faster. This just doesn't really stop, and it doesn't really turn with the brakes. Here, I just got to scrub speed. Just please slow down. Get turned, handbrake, clutch in. Nice, good, okay, we'll take it, we'll take it. We'll go for the real slow in and hopefully fast out move down this hill. Yeah, braking early. Oh yeah, we're not stopping, we're not stopping. Handbrake helped, first gear, clutch in. Go, 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 second gear. Go, 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 go. Third gear. This is where we need to be brave coming down this hill. 230, not the best. Oh yeah, no, don't touch the brakes. Coming down, that's as brave as I am. Yeah, we can't stop. 237.8. All right, I made it. Didn't hit anything. All right, so we came out today to see if this Porsche Cayman S would rally, and absolutely it did. Made it around our loop here on a very slippery day in the winter on a 237.8. This is usually the part of the video where I'd say, if you wanted to make this car go a little faster, you need a little more weight in the front, you need some softer springs, you need some different wheels and tires, move some stuff around, and you could do a faster lap. But fortunately, that's exactly what FCP Euro is going to do. So follow their channel, check them out. They're going to be doing a whole build series, turning this thing into a rally car. And at the end of it, it's going to be right back here. I'm going to try it again and see how much time we can take off of that. So if you're into these kinds of videos, please consider subscribing. Check out the FCP Euro channel. It's going to be a lot of fun. We'll catch you next time.